and one. Let's go. Let's play.
You kids, get off my driveway!
Why don't you come over here and make me?
Back in my day, you kiddies showed more respect!
Back in your day, they didn't have cameras.
All right, that's it! Help! I can't get out! Go life alert out! You wouldn't want this to happen to your loved one!
This is Life Alert. We see that you have pressed our pendant.
Help! I'm falling and I can't get off!
I'm sending help now.
You wouldn't want this to happen to your loved one, so call Life